Dragon Energy HQ, done and dusted, looking fresh with a new beanie.
Oh dude, I'm so stoked.
Oh, honestly, the place was insane. And yeah, and obviously in the back, they've got hooked up. Right? That's like a third. A third of the amount of drinks that they've got hooked up with. So yeah, anyway, so I haven't actually done an intro for this video yet, but I will do
Travel
in a bit.
all the way to South Africa.
Yeah.
Let's forget to do it. Imagine getting back and be like, yo.
So I went to South Africa. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Long time no speak, but here we are going with another video, and this one is super special. So excited about this video. So basically, as you may have already guessed by the title of the video or through the intro of this video, I am in South Africa to meet Dragon Energy at their HQ. They've flown me out here to ride their competition that they're hosting on Saturday, but we're going to make a trip of it. I'm going to film every day. I'm here for a week. I'm staying at Vincent's house, who is a fellow Dragon Energy rider, and what an experience it's been already. So I didn't really film that much yesterday when I arrived, purely because I arrived but my bike didn't, so there was a lot of waiting around. I've managed to go check out the skate park that they're hosting the competition at. It's definitely a different skate park to what I'm used to in the UK, but super fun nonetheless. So we've also had a tour around Dragon Energy's HQ where it all began, which was so sick. Obviously got to see all the manufacturing process. You know, they've got some wild flavours over here that they haven't got in the UK. And yeah, we're just out here having a good time. We're going to ride as much as we possibly can. I'm going to see as much as I possibly can. So yeah, the purpose of this video mainly is for memories and look back on over the years, because this is going to be one hell of a trip. And also to provide some entertainment for you guys watching. So thank you again for coming back to another video. Please like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. And I'm going to be more active on the YouTube front, definitely. And what a way to start it off. Obviously out here in South Africa, they're just heading into winter, which I cannot believe, because it's hotter now, and in the UK we're heading into summer. So yeah, it's definitely an experience for sure, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So thanks for coming back to watch another video, and obviously I'll be keeping updated with you guys as we go along. And yeah, full send. Cheers Dragon Energy and Ryan from LW Mag for bringing me out here. I can't thank you guys enough, and obviously Vincent for letting me stay at his house. So yeah, let's get it, full send. See you when you get back. So that is how South Africans just nip to the shop on the pit bikes. Oh man, you can still hear him going down the road. But anyway, yeah, let's get today started. Obviously Vin is off to go get some bits for making us breakfast. What a legend. And yeah, we're gonna go ride, so let's go, full send.